Hi guys, and welcome back to the bakery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a soft roll. Anyway, we're going with a video.
Perfect.
Right, for the rolls, you've got 2 pounds of strong white flour, 0.5 of an ounce of malt flour, 0.5 of an ounce of caster sugar, 0.5 of an ounce of sea salt, 20 ounces of water, 1 ounce, 0.25 of baker's yeast, and because this is a more softer dough, you've got an ounce of olive oil, your bowl and your hook. Right guys, first thing you should do, pop your water into the bowl first, then followed by your flour. Put your yeast in, give it a good stir around. Then you add the other ingredients in. And now we'll put it onto the machine. Right guys, you're going to be mixing that now for 1 minute on first speed. Then we're going to knock it onto second speed for 6 minutes. Right guys, the dough's ready. And now we'll stick it on the table. Right guys, and all we want to do with this is just mould up a little bit. And we'll leave this now for around 10 minutes. And just cover it over. Now you want to take the dough and scale it off into 4 ounce pieces, then split into 2. So each roll is going to be 2 ounces each. What you want to do, roll it and split this. Now we're going to mould them up. Push them into the table, but keep your hands like this. So you're doing like this. Rolls should proof for around about 1 hour. Guys, there's quite a few methods of proofing up your rolls. One of them, which I'd recommend to you, is get yourself a box and a bag. And what you do is, you put your rolls onto a tray, put them into the box, and in that box, put a little pot of warm water. So when it's finished, you've got a box with your bag, covered up, little pot of warm water, and that'll keep the rolls moist whilst they're proving up for around about an hour. Alright guys, the soft rolls are now ready for the oven, and we'll get them in. The soft rolls will take around about 10 minutes to bake, and the temperature of the oven is around about 430 Fahrenheit. Right guys, the soft rolls are ready. There you go. And as soon as they come out the oven, the best thing I like to do is wash the tops over with some butter. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do check out the recipe below in the description. Do subscribe and do share. And we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!